top headlines for the day.
Super hot cricketer Virat Kohli and the bubbly actress Anushka Sharma have been dating since long, and though the two have always tried to keep their relationship under wraps, they eventually end up under the media glare. Once more, the lovebirds are under the limelight as the duo have flown to an undisclosed destination to celebrate the new year. However, the grapevine is abuzz with the news of their engagement date. Apparently, the cricketer-actress Jodi is all set to take their relationship to the next level on 1st January. Rumors about the venue too are floating. The ceremony may take place at Hotel Ananda in Uttarakhand. This has gained credence by the recent Instagram pictures of the two on a holiday. So cheers to a new beginning for the lovely couple. We wonder if the wedding bells will ring soon, or will the couple enjoy an extended courtship? What do you think? Do let us know in the comment section. Superstar Salman can surely make all hearts melt with his looks and style. Recently, the Kickstar posed besides Kiara Alia Advani, and the two look super cool as they face the paparazzi. Kiara looked chic as she posed beside the bhai holding a leather jacket over her shoulders. Her untamed mane left loose gave her a rugged sporty look. Salman on the other hand kept it simple by wearing a designer black shirt, sporting a mace locket reminiscent of Bajrangi Bhaijaan. A large red heart on the shirt was hard to miss and gave the picture a sense of completion. At 51, Salman's oomph quotient has not faded one bit, don't you think so? Take a look at these stunning pictures and do let us know what you think about them in the comment section. Former Miss World Aishwarya Rai Bachchan seems to be enjoying a vacation with hubby Abhishek and daughter Aradhya. The happy family was spotted at the airport and looked oh so sweet. Aishwarya looked a perfect yummy mummy as she sported jeans and a casual white top, while Abhishek wore a white hoodie teamed with equally casual jeans. Baby Aradhya looked quite cute as she walked hand in hand with her dear ma and pa. Dressed from top to bottom in white, with a pink girly jacket and matching hairband, Aradhya looked innocence personified. The family seemed complete and extremely happy as they walked hand in hand, making it a perfect Kodak moment. Do take a look at some of the pictures taken at the airport and let us know what you think about it in the comment section. Superstar Salman Khan and his alleged lady love Lulia Vantur have kept everyone guessing about their relationship status. Lulia, who is all keen to make her mark in the music industry, has already crooned the number with Himesh Reshammiya for his upcoming album Aapsi Mausiki. Apparently, Himesh was quite impressed by Lulia's talent and professionalism. Apart from her accurate articulation of every word. And now the duo are all set to croon a duet for Salman's unreleased film Kick 2. A reliable source just spilled the beans that Himesh has been finalized as the music composer, and there is a great likelihood that the Romanian beauty Lulia would take the world by storm by singing a romantic number. Lulia on her part seems quite excited and is working hard to get her pronunciation right. Trying hard to please our Bajrangi Bhaijaan, is it? Well, all said and done, we sure are excited to hear Miss Vantur singing her first Hindi number for Beau Salman, aren't you? Do let us know in the comment section. Is motherhood tiring out the energetic bubbly Bebo? Recently, the new mom was spotted going for a quiet dinner date with hubby Saif Ali Khan. What shocked us was that the diva, who was full of energy during her pregnancy, seemed quite weak and tired. Unlike her usual chirpy self, Kareena was silent and held her Saif's hands as she exited the restaurant. Chivalrous to the core, Saif helped wifey to sit in the car. Dressed in a loose orange maxi, Kareena seemed to be totally sapped of energy and in dire need of proper rest. It seems baby Taimur is already quite a handful and giving mommy dear sleepless nights already. Let's hope that Bebo bounces back soon and becomes a yummy mummy as promised. Meanwhile, take a look at these pictures of the new parents and tell us what you think in the comment section. Salman Khan turned 51 recently and celebrated with family and friends. But did you know where he had spent his 35th birthday? Well, it was none other than the Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya sets. Yes, and isn't he looking cool even then? Salman Khan was a hit even then, and this movie of his catapulted him to popularity and fame. It is interesting to see this blast from the past and enjoy the moment, especially when Bhai has just celebrated his birthday. Salman, busy with his upcoming Tube Light, is indeed his fans' star, and they regard their icon as the best. With his stint on Bigg Boss 10, Salman has only proved that he can rule not only the big screen but also the small screen. This 35th birthday picture sure brings back fresh memories of a star who ruled then and is still ruling now. 4 बज गए लेकिन पार्टी अभी बाकी है. This aptly fits party animals Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan, who were out having a blast till the wee hours of the morning. Yes, the two buddies are seen socializing quite often. Recently, Salman had visited Mannat to attend the after party of Coldplay, which was hosted by King Khan. A couple of days later, the duo was seen enjoying a later night impromptu celebration at the Dabangg Khan's Galaxy Apartments, where they were joined by Sunil Shetty, Suraj Pancholi and the entire Khan clan. Laughter and merriment was evident as SRK left the apartment after 4 a.m. and was seen off by Khan brothers Arbaz, Sohail and Salman himself. Well, the Badshah and Sultan seem to be ringing in the new year in style amidst rounds of parties and celebrations, isn't it? Do share your views in the comment section and keep coming back for more news from B-Town. Superstar Salman Khan rung in his 51st birthday on 27 December and had a lavish celebration at his Panvel farmhouse. Wishes were pouring in from all fronts. But there was one special wish that the Sultan received at the stroke of 12. Who was this special caller? Well, it was none other than friend turned foe Sanjay Dutt. Sanju Baba and Salu Bhai shared an exceptional comrade with each other, but recently there was news of their friendship turning sour to the extent that Sanjay Dutt had not shied from calling Salman arrogant. But the call seems to prove that there is no love lost between the two and their friendship is still rock solid. Sanjay Dutt, who is enjoying a vacation with his family overseas, has also made plans to have a belated celebration just like the good old days. So what do you think of Sanju Baba's special birthday wish to the Bhai? Do let us know in the comment section. Just when the Bigg Boss 10 audience is getting out of the sudden ouster controversy of Priyanka Jagga from the Bigg Boss 10 household, here is yet another whacker from the reality show household. Yes, reports have it that Rohan Mehra slapped Om Swami, unable to bear his unendingly frustrating behavior. Twitterati supported Rohan and also said that in his place anyone would have done this. This is quite surprising considering the fact that social media usually does not support any immoral act. Well, to tell the truth, they would have not felt that Rohan was wrong in slapping Om, as Om has got into the skin of all the contestants and the audience. Obviously, they know that their Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai star is also human and would have really got massively freaked out to have done something like this. We now wonder what next in the reality show household with Rohan now on the burner. What do you feel would happen? Filmmaker Ram Gopal Verma is caught in a whirlpool of controversies once more. The maker recently went for a special screening of Dangal and was all praised for the wonderful sports biopic. Albeit, besides praising the film and actor Aamir Khan, the maker rubbed the two other Khans, Salman and Shah Rukh, the wrong way. Ramo apparently took to Twitter to praise Dangal and the acting acumen of perfectionist Aamir Khan. But he ended up sending wrong signals to the other two stars without explicitly naming them. Praising Dangal, the director tweeted, "Just saw Dangal and zapped with Aamir's belief in Indian audiences' intelligence that they can make such a niche idea into such a massive film." Spewing venom at Sultan and the Badshah, Ramu tweeted, "Superstars never grew up beyond wanting to look forever young and wanting to show six packs even after 50, and then comes fucking Amir in Dangal." Another tweet in praise of Amir followed, where the filmmaker expressed the desire to touch Amir's feet. This was followed by another round of mud flinging with the words, "Other Khans presuppose the audience to be dumb, which I do think they are, but Amir respects and caters to their intelligence hidden behind."